After silver recently witnessed this massive rally, we are currently starting to see a phase of consolidation. And so in today's video, we discuss whether this might already be the end of this silver rally or whether we could see a continuation here. And so in today's video, we discuss the most important technicals, fundamentals, and also macroeconomics. And so let's start right away with the technicals. From the technicals, we do obviously have several descending triangles here. And if you now have a look at the hourly chart, you do see that even more beautifully. And you can see that we had this bullish breakout period here for several times. But with every breakout, it seems like we do have a big consolidation happening. And we're currently starting to see that this breakout has already probably finished. We are currently already shifting into this phase of consolidation. And we might just see this kind of continue. At least we at Kronos do believe in a continuation of this weakening that we're seeing. We do not believe that there is massive upside potential left. And why do we believe that? Well, to answer that and to show you that, we have to take a look at the more macroeconomic overview. You do see here on the weekly at XAGUSD that there is a interesting correlation to the gold to silver ratio, which is the main indicator that we like to take a look at in today's video. And you do see that whenever we had those massive tops here at silver at XAGUSD, you do see, for example, here in 2008, that this top actually beautifully coincided to this low here at the gold to silver ratio. And you can see that that correlation also here after the great financial crisis, when we had this stimulus injection by the Fed. We have seen that massive rally here at silver. We have seen that that bottom here at the gold to silver ratio. And that was not the only time we have seen that. We have also seen it before the COVID crash and after the COVID crash. And we might just see it happening again. And it seems quite simple when monetary policy is weak, when we do see a risk on environment, you do tend to see the gold to silver ratio fall, you do tend to see silver surge. And when this is actually reversing from a weakening to a strengthening formation, you tend to see exactly that same happening just in the opposite direction with the gold to silver ratio. So when we do see this gold to silver ratio to actually strengthen again here, we might just have the top in here at silver. And also if you have a look at the volume delta, you do see that the volume has actually shifted here in recent day. We have kind of seen this increasing volume during this bull run here. And then we have suddenly seen a continuation of this bull run, but with decreased volume delta. And this is just also beautifully showing you that the momentum of this rally seems to be slowing down, or better to say, the volume is slowing down. And that just shows you that we might just see an end to this silver rally. Obviously, that is not an absolute statement. We can see a continuation for a while, but we are just here to tell you that obviously with every shift up in the spectrum of oversold and overbought, we are moving a little bit more to overbought, and so the risk or the potential for a reversal is getting bigger and bigger. And if you have a look at the volume, you do see the first signs of this actually being too overbought for a continuation of this rally. And you do see that beautifully with this decreased momentum that to the upside that we are currently starting to see. And also with the gold to silver ratio, you do start to see some reversal movements here. However, that is not to say that this is the absolute end of this silver rally. If you just have a look at it empirically, if you have a look at the past few cycles, you do learn a lot. And by the way, if you like this approach of taking a look at the past cycles and learn from them, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you don't miss future update videos like these, and also support us here on our channel. And now, if you have a look at what happened the last few times, obviously here before the crash, we have seen that signal by silver and the gold to silver ratio, and then the great financial crisis happened. In the recovery phase, obviously, this did not end in a crisis here. It just happened to be a bear market, more or less. And the same goes for what we've seen here in 2020. We have seen that kind of being a signal for the crash, and then we have seen it being a signal for the bear market, the bear market. And so what we do see happening right now is, in our eyes at Kronos, that this is just a signal for a bigger macro crash, since we have not seen a crash happening recently that is of magnitude like we have seen it here with the COVID crash and the great financial crisis. And so we do believe in a bigger macro crash in the next few weeks and months here in 2026. Obviously, that can be quite elastic in the time when it might happen. We do not want to give a clear statement about the exact month, but we do believe, according to our empirical analysis of the past, that so many signals are starting to trigger right now that a crash is definitely likelier in 2026 than no crash in 2026. Yeah, and that is probably the best final statement. And also regarding silver, we are quite conservative regarding the fact that we're seeing this volume slow down, the fact that we are starting to see probably also a reversal here at the gold to silver ratio. And so that just gives us this kind of approach that we are more conservative concerning silver right now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you don't miss future updated videos, and also support us here on our channel. Thanks for your support. See you the next time. Bye bye.